This is how you turn a $1 bill into a $100 stack. Forget the printer. You need 100 genuine $1 bills, a tank of sodium hydroxide, and an Intaglio press with 20 tons of pressure. Most idiots get caught because they use wood pulp paper. Real money is 75% cotton and 25% linen. If you don't start with government-grade fiber, you're going to jail in 5 minutes. I'm showing you the exact technical glitch they use to pass the pen test, the UV light, and the magnetic scanner. The chemical wash. Step 1. The bleaching. You throw the $1 bills into a tank with industrial degreaser and oven cleaner. Leave them for 12 hours. The ink disappears, but the cotton linen fibers stay perfect. Now you have blank, authentic paper. The security thread is already inside. It says USA 1, but nobody checks the microprinting under a microscope at a gas station. They just feel the paper, and this paper is 100% legit. The 20-ton pressure. Step 2. The press. You need an Intaglio press, not a laser printer. Criminals get color-shifting ink from shady suppliers overseas. It's the stuff that turns green to black when you tilt it. When that 20-ton press hits the paper, it crushes the ink into the fibers. This creates the raised texture. Run your thumb over Franklin's jacket. If you feel the ridges, it passes. If the PSI is off by even 1%, the bill looks flat. Flat bills mean 20 years in a cage. The magnetic glitch in aging. Step 3. The scanner test. Modern vending machines check for iron oxide in the ink. No magnetic field? The machine spits it out. Criminals mix magnetic iron particles into their ink so it passes the ATM test. But fresh bills are a red flag. They look too new. So you throw the stack into a rock tumbler with coffee, tea bags, and metal shavings. 30 minutes later, they look like they've been in a stripper's pocket for years. The metal shavings add a faint metallic scent that confuses the sniffer dogs at the border. It's a high-stakes game. One mistake, and it's over. Subscribe if you want more of the truth. See ya.